Determine the equations of the tangent line through the point 7, 1 to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 25. So here, to begin with, we're considering a circle whose equation is given to us, and we have a line that is tangent to the circle at point A. And also, this particular tangent, let's say, passes through a point 7, 1. There is going to be one more tangent, which is also going to pass through the same point, and it's going to be tangent to the same circle. We'll come back to that in a moment. Now, let's start with the equation of the tangent line. Now, to define the equation of the tangent line, we need to define its slope. So we'll begin by defining the slope of the tangent line. So we're considering the slope to be m, and since the tangent line passes through the point 7, 1, so its equation of the tangent line, we can easily find out this equation using the one-point form or the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals to the slope m times x minus x1. So here x1, y1 will correspond to the point 7, 1. Y minus 1 will be equals to the slope m multiplied to x minus x1. So x1 will be 7. Now let's further simplify it. We're going to get y minus 1 equals to m times x minus 7 times m. And rewriting the equation, we get m times x minus y plus 1 minus 7m equals to 0. So let this be equation number 1, and this is the equation of the tangent line. Now we are given here the equation of the circle. So from the equation of the circle, we can easily find out the coordinates of the center as well as the radius. So we're going to rewrite the equation of the circle in the standard form, which is simply x minus 0 whole squared added to y minus 0 whole squared equals to 25. 25 can be expressed as 5 squared. This means that the coordinate of the center, we're going to call it C, will be 0, 0. The circle is centered at the origin. So we have 0, 0. This is the coordinate of the center. And the radius of the circle is going to be 5 units. Now, we can use a different formula here. We know that our task will be to find out the value of m, and once we have the value of m, we can easily find out the equation of the tangent line. To find out the value of m, what we'll do, we'll drop a perpendicular from C to the point of tangency, that is point A. We can define this distance because there's a formula for finding out the distance of any point from a straight line. So let's quickly recap that formula. So let's say we have a point whose coordinates are x1, y1, and we have a straight line with the equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now, if we drop a perpendicular from the point on the straight line, then this perpendicular distance is going to be defined as d equals to the absolute value ax1 plus by1 plus c. And in the denominator, we're going to divide it by the square root of a squared plus b squared. We're going to use the same formula here. Now, in our case, CA, which is nothing but the radius of the circle, so 5 will be equals to the absolute value. In the numerator, we'll begin by considering the coefficient of x, which is m. Now, m will get multiplied with the x coordinate of the center, so that will be simply 0. Then we consider the coefficient of y, which in our case is -1, multiply it with the y coordinate of 0 and add it to the first term. And then we are left with the constant term, so that's 1 minus 7m, divided by the square root of, now we need m squared, so this will be the coefficient of x added to the coefficient of y squared, so that's 1. Okay, so we're going to solve this equation to obtain the value of m. So 5 will be equals to the absolute value of 1 minus 7m divided by square root of m squared plus 1. Let's do one thing. Let's square both sides. So we have 25 equals to 1 minus 7m whole squared divided by m squared plus 1. Cross multiplying, we get 25m squared plus 25 equals to, we're going to expand 1 minus 7m whole squared to get 1 minus 14m plus 49m squared. Rewriting the terms, and we're going to get a quadratic equation. So we have 49 minus 25, so that will be 24. So we get 24m squared. We have negative 14m, and we have 1 minus 25, so that will correspond to negative 24 equals to 0. We can see that all of the terms have a factors of 2. So we have 12m squared minus 7m minus 12 equals to 0. So this is a standard quadratic equation. We can factorize it to get 4m plus 3 multiplied to 3m minus 4 equals to 0, which immediately gives us two values of m. One of the slope value will be negative 4 over positive 4 over 3, and the other m value will be negative 3 over m. Now that we have the value of m, we can substitute this back into equation number 1. So let's start with m equals to 4 over 3. So we have 4/3 of x minus y plus 1 minus 7 times 4/3. So we have 28 over 3. That will be equals to 0. Multiplying throughout with 3, we get 4x minus 3y plus 3 minus 28 equals to 0. Or simply put, we have 4x minus 3y minus 25 equals to 0. So this is going to be equation of one of the tangent line. And when we choose m to be equals to negative 3 over 4, this is 3 over 4. So equation 1 is going to become negative 3 over 4 times x minus y plus 1 plus we have 21 over 4 equals to 0. Let's multiply it throughout with negative 4. So we get 3x plus 4y minus 4 minus 21 equals to 0. This is going to give us the equation 3x plus 4y minus 25 equals to 0. This is going to be the equation of the other tangent line, and both of the two tangent line are going to pass through the point 7, 1, and they are tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 25.